Hey everybody, welcome to Thursdays with Taylor. Thank you for joining us for another fun activity. Today's activity is called Bird's or Bug's Eye View. So it is natural for us to view things in a normal viewpoint, such as standing up in a standing up position. But what if we looked at different things through photos, in a different view through photos? Today's activity, all you will need is an object of any sort. Today I have Mr. Paul's. And then you will also need a camera or a phone that has a camera. I'm going to walk you through each step of the different types of viewpoints or pictures that you will be taking. So come along. The first photo you want to capture, you want to lie on your stomach and look at things from the ground level. This would be a bug's eye view. Next, you want to lie on your back. Look up for clouds, buildings, trees, birds, and planes. Now you want to lean over. Look down at your feet or down from a second floor window. Can you find Paul's? Lastly, you want to bend sideways, slant the horizon for an alternative viewpoint. Whew! Paul's and I just got back inside from taking pictures of those different viewpoints. We had so much fun, and we hope that you enjoy this activity just as much as we did. I hope that you will look back at each of these pictures and find those unique differences of those different viewpoints that you captured. Feel free to send me those pictures. I would love to see what you have captured. Thank you again for tuning in to another episode of Thursdays with Taylor. We will see you next time. Bye guys.